Hi there, we're just looking after a family with a Ford Everest and they really struggle with allergies and hay fever during the warmer months. Is there any other options for the cabin air filter other than Genuine?
For many vehicle owners, the car is almost a second home. Vehicle manufacturers go to great lengths to deliver creature comforts through advanced climate control technologies. When it comes to air quality, the cabin air filter plays an important role, and some filters are just better than others. Welcome to the Ryco Filters Training Academy. Whenever a Ryco Micro Shield is listed to suit your customer's vehicle, lead your recommendation with this product. It ticks all the boxes, providing healthier breathing inside the vehicle cabin. Importantly, it can trap pollutants approximately 40 times smaller than the width of a human hair. That's less than 0.3 microns in size. The MicroShield filter utilises both antibacterial and antiviral agents within the filter media to protect against airborne viruses, preventing them from reaching the cabin or growing in the filter once trapped. The very latest improvement to the MicroShield product is the inclusion of a medical grade N99 rated media.
That's great. Sounds like the MicroShield will help them with those allergies. But what about the cheaper ones?
An activated carbon filter is a step below a Ryco MicroShield. This filter specifically works to trap odours and gases from reaching the cabin. It also includes all the elements of a particle filter. The particle, or pollen filter, protects occupants from particles such as pollen, fungus spores, dirt and dust. Think of the cabin air filter options like a sandwich, with multiple layers. The best option not only incorporates the particle layer and activated carbon layer, the MicroShield product goes even further with N99 grade media and uniquely treated with antibacterial and antiviral agents. With a little time spent understanding the layers of filtration that make a Ryco MicroShield cabin air filter, you can feel confident when explaining the benefits and even the alternatives, backing your recommendation of the best cabin air filter available. Remember that Ryco provide the full range of vehicle filtration needs. If your customer is changing the cabin air filter, while you have the vehicle details, recommend the other available filters from the Ryco product range. Thanks for watching.